Okay, let's go ahead and create our consumer. So inside the same script folder, Avro consumer.py. All right. Now go back to your producer. Let's import a bunch of stuff here together. Let's just copy this first part here, all of the login till topic name. Okay, copy and paste so we save a bit of time. We probably won't need this. You can delete it. We won't need the arc parse. Delete it. Keep the project root here. Now we're going to import the Avro deserializer. We're going to import the string deserializer. The schema registry we're still importing, and now we're going to change this consumer wrapper, and let's import the Kafka consumer. All right, login will stay the same, and let's just name it. Okay, that's fine. For our configuration, we do have the same thing here. We're going for the same, but now we need a consumer group ID, which is named, let's call it Avro generic consumers. All right, let's define a main function for that. Inside the main function, let's log that we're starting it. Starting our consumer, and let's create our schema admin again using our wrapper. Cool. Now we need to deserialize. So let's create a deserializer for the key, which will be the string deserializer. Okay. And now we're going to create our value deserializer, which will be an Avro deserializer using our client as argument. Now we're ready to instantiate our consumer. We need the bootstrap servers, which will be our broker. We need a group ID. Let's read everything from the beginning. The key deserializer is our key deserializer, and the value deserializer is our value deserializer. All right, we can subscribe now to our topic, and we can start consuming messages. Very similar to what I've done before. If name equals main, okay, now we're ready to test this code. Python 3, Avro consumer. Initialize the schema registry. Consumer initialize the group. Broker 1994 subscribe to the topic and successfully receive the 3 messages that are already there and is just waiting for more. So now we've seen that the consumer is also working. So now we've successfully integrated our wrappers, the producer, the consumer in the schema registry, and we'll also have an admin over there that you can read in any project. And that's what we're gonna do. On the next chapter, we're gonna go over our first end-to-end project for our data ingestion. Talk soon.